If you're looking to build repeat clients on freelance marketplaces, you've come to the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a quick, effective strategy to make clients keep coming back for more, and I'll share some real tips you can start using today. The first step to building repeat clients is understanding that you're not just selling a one-off service. You're offering a relationship. Clients on freelance platforms want to work with professionals they can trust. They don't want to constantly search for new freelancers. They want someone reliable, skilled, and easy to communicate with. So, the first thing you need to do is focus on building trust from the start. When you first get a project, ensure that you're over-communicating, especially in the beginning. Be responsive, transparent, and proactive about any details they might need to know. Once you've delivered the first project, make sure the client feels heard and understood. Follow up. And ask for feedback, positive or negative. When they feel like you're invested in their success, they're far more likely to come back. This follow-up also shows that you value their business beyond just completing a task and closing the deal. Next, you want to set expectations for future work. During your first interaction, ask questions that help you understand the long-term goals of the client. This can be as simple as asking, are there any upcoming projects you foresee needing help with? Or, what else can I assist with as you grow your business? This helps position you as someone who's not just solving today's problem, but is actively interested in their future needs. Offer incentives for repeat business. One simple way to do this is by providing discounts for larger projects or offering special packages for clients who return. But this isn't about underpricing, it's about creating a value proposition. The incentive should feel like a bonus for their loyalty, not just a way to close the deal. Another key tip is to consistently upgrade your skill set. Freelance marketplaces are highly competitive, and clients are looking for the best. Whether it's learning new software or improving your current offerings, always be evolving. This not only helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace, but it also shows your clients that you're staying ahead of trends and continuing to provide high-value work. Be patient and consistent. Building repeat clients doesn't happen overnight, especially on a freelance platform where clients may try different freelancers before deciding who to stick with. Keep delivering top-tier work consistently, and don't be discouraged by a slow start. As you build a reputation for excellent service, you'll see the return clients start to flow in. Now, to help you streamline your work, I've tested several tools that can help you maintain relationships with clients and stay on top of your projects. I'm recommending a software tool that makes client management a breeze. It has everything you need, from tracking your interactions to creating personalized follow-up reminders, and the best part is that you can try it for free through an exclusive trial that's available to viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description below to start using this software and follow along. To wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Building repeat clients on freelance marketplaces is all about trust, communication, and consistently delivering great work. Remember to focus on building a relationship, follow up after each project, offer incentives, and always improve your skills. This is how you'll keep clients coming back for more. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I mentioned in the description below. It'll help you manage your clients more effectively, so you can focus on delivering exceptional work and building long-term relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.